How to do color grading in videos. So if you want to color grade videos in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application and you need to go for create project, or you can choose an existing project. So go for import, which is here on the upper left, and then you can simply choose the videos that you would like to color grade. Once you've chosen, simply click on the plus icon and here you will have the video, right? So if you want to color grade this video, then what you need to do is first you need to adjust your timeline. So go and adjust your timeline, and then once you're here, you just need to simply click on the clip and then go for the upper right, which has that adjustments option. Click on adjustments, and here under your adjustments, if you want to auto adjust, then you can click on auto adjust, or you can go with color match. So if you have the pro version, then you can use the color match option. And if you scroll down, then here you will have protect skin tone. So to make it more natural, you can turn on the protect skin tone option, and then you need to scroll down and you can simply go with the adjustments. So the first one is temperature. So you can simply go with temp, and then you can adjust the temp if you like to, and then go with tint. You can adjust the tint and saturation, and then scroll down, and here you will have the lightness. So you can have all of these options. You can go with exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, blacks, brilliance, and everything. So you can simply adjust these options. And then here you will have the effects option. Under effects, you will have the sharpen, so that you can adjust the sharpness of your video or of your image. And fade, if you want to add a fade, then you can add it, but I'll be not adding it. And you can go with vintage if you want to add the vintage. And once you've done all of these, now for example, if you have many clips, like I only have one clip right here. So if you have many clips, like if you've splitted the clips and if you have many clips right here, so what you need to do is you just need to go with apply to all, which is here on the bottom right. Click on apply to all and it will apply to all of the clips that you have right here. Once you click on apply to all, then it will apply to each and every video. And now here you can see the difference. And once you're satisfied with this, now you can go with export, which is on the upper right, and then you can export the video. So that's how you can do the color grading in videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.